Katie, public health officials told me they expected an uptick in COVID case numbers. However, today's set of numbers are some of the highest since the beginning of the pandemic. Olmsted County compiled new COVID-19 data this week that shows cases are climbing. Megan Sheardon is the program manager for epidemiology surveillance and preparedness for public health and says the new numbers are some of the highest.
Definitely seeing that Thanksgiving surge that we were expecting. So last week when we looked at our cases, we definitely saw a decrease in our cases from the previous week, but we think a lot of that had to do with the decrease in testing. So unfortunately, this week we are going to probably be posting our second highest case count for the entire pandemic.
914 new cases that Sheardon says are from a certain population of people.
What we do know, though, still is the majority of our cases are unvaccinated individuals.
An issue that Mayo Clinic says is making up a majority of hospitalizations. Mayo Clinic says they've been treating up to 100 COVID patients a day, which includes a portion of Olmsted County residents, according to Sheardon.
We know that the hospital system is getting strained, right? Especially because if we look and we know that we have around 34 people in the hospital because of COVID for Olmsted County residents. We know both of our healthcare partners serve more than just Olmsted County.
Sheeran says there is some good news in the fight against COVID-19 as more people are being vaccinated.
For 5 to 11, I think we're at like 38.5%. So let's just round it up to 39 so we can have some positivity with this conversation. So we're doing really well. Olmsted County actually ranks number 2 in the state of Minnesota for 5 to 11 immunizations. So hopefully we'll be able to continue with that. Another big milestone we reached this week too was our 12 to 15-year-olds hit 80%.
Going forward in the winter months, Sheardon says folks should make it a priority to get a booster shot.
Especially, moving into the colder months with the holiday seasons coming up, that boosters are going to be a huge asset for us moving forward.
Olmsted County's 7-day positivity rate is just over 14%, which is almost double the national 7-day positivity rate, just over 8%. Live in Rochester, Alec Lasham, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Alec. Sheardon says the county and state are still unsure if the vaccine series is effective against the new Omicron variant. However, Pfizer is saying its booster shot could provide effective protection against the variant. Right now, the dominant strain here in Olmsted County is the Delta variant.